our Prime Sultan and the chairman of the Roma Bichara to please come forward, no? And now, may I call on our next enthroning, Dato Nor Silo Baunga, Dato Lucas Sasupangan. I would like to request Dato Mamuda sa Supangan, Dato Kaka sa Supangan, and I think baka hindi kakayanin ng ating now our next enthronee, no? Dato Rafael Adit Ayub. He is a committed, professional, and emerging leader dedicated to service, research, and community development. He plays a vital role in this gathering as part of the Planning and Research Officer of the United Sultanates of Iranon Confederation Community, where his work contributes to informed decision-making, strategic planning, and the strengthening of Iranon institution. Now, let me call Pai Minday Tula Banto by Awaris Iranon. On behalf of the United Sultanate of Iranon, we would like to request the Amirols sa Maguindanao to please join us on stage. Of course, it is with great honor and respect that we introduce our one of our enthronee. She is a committed educator, public servant, and advocate of community development. She is currently serving as Teacher 1 under the Ministry of Basic, Higher, and Technical Education, or MBHTE, where she continues to shape young minds and contribute to the future of Bangsamoro through education. Ladies and gentlemen, mga dato, ako mga bay, please help me welcome Bay Linda Sakal Butil.
Hold on please for Linda Butil.
And now, the Bay Apangadapan Seranon, by Linda Sakal Butil, please. Of course, we call on Haja Bay Muslima Butukan Simban, the Paramata Bay, the daughter of Watamama Gulay and Bay Fatima, the granddaughter of Jokolano Diwa, Paramata Bay, the granddaughter of Tahiruddin Malimug, the 13th Sultan of Maguindanao. Please welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Paramatabay sa Supangan, Hajabay Muslima Butukan Simban. And now, we would like to call Engineer Salahuddin Akman Mala, the Raja Purwa II of Supangan. Ako lang. And we will call on our next enthronee, Dato Ido Puriga Ismail, Raja Muda sa Katamlangan sa Cotabato. susunod pong entroni na aming tatawagin ay si Haji Dato Muhammad Abdul Unga Dagkar, Raja Muda Dagkar of Iranon sa Sumbangan. And now, tatawagin po natin ang ating entroni sultan. Tatlong sultan po ang ating entron, no? May I call on Sultan Attorney Ringcar B. Pinote. Para po sa inyong kaalaman, si Sultan Ringcar Pinote ay siya po ang kasalukuyang Sultan sa Pantawa Tebuk sa Labanabang, Lanao del Sur. At he was enthroned and proclaimed as Alimusara sa Balasaingad in Buldon, a title that reflects both ancestral legitimacy and the trust bestowed upon him by the people. His relevance to this gathering is profound. His service to the Iranon people is unparalleled, particularly in his designation as Chief Minister of the Iranon Sub-State under the Bangsamoro Republic of the Moro National Liberation Front. He also served as the Chief Spokesperson for the Iranon, Maranao, and Maguindanao during the Imenelep Miswari Duterte GPH peace talks on federalism. In his long and distinguished career in public service, he served as a judge, senior prosecutor across 9 provinces, and an officer of the National Bureau of Investigation. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Sultan Attorney Ringcar B. Pinote, our Sultan Sampurna sa Iranon. And may I call on the next Sultan to be enthroned today. It is with great honor and respect that we introduce to you a leader of faith, service, and security whose life reflects dedication to the protection and guidance of the community. He currently serves with the Brigade Task Force Guerrilla under the Energuard Base Command, Moro Islamic Liberation Front, where he fulfills critical responsibilities in maintaining discipline, security, and organizational integrity. In addition, he holds significant institutional roles as a cabinet member of the Darul Ifta and as part of the Supreme Court Security, underscoring the trust placed in him within both religious and governance structure. May I call on once again Sultan Amiruddin Lepolis Mangindalat. He is deeply grounded in Islamic scholarship. He completed Kulliyatul Dawah Asuluddin at Mahad Manaulanin in Pikit and Kulliyatul Sharia wal Kanun at Jamia Madiyah, and further advanced his studies in Kulliyatul Tarbiyat wa Darasat at Jamia Taqniyah wa Dawla al-Islami. These academic and religious credentials affirm his authority in matters of faith, law, and moral leadership. He grew up in Langapanan, Sultan Sabarongis, Maguindanao del Sur, where his upbringing instilled in him strong values of devotion, responsibility, and service to the people. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, mga bay, mga dato, please help me welcome the Sultan na pangalapan sa Iran, sa Sultan Sabarongis sa Maguindanao, Sultan Amiruddin Lipuris Maguindanao. And now, our last but not the least, the Sultan of the Sultan Adil sa Iran sa Sultanan. May I call on Ustad Muhammad Yaqub Aba Gumander. It is with great honor and respect to introduce to you a dedicated public servant, educator, and community leader. He is presently connected with the Ministry of the Interior and Local Government of MILG as a freelance professional, where he contributes his expertise to governance and public service initiatives. He holds a Bachelor of Elementary Education from Southern Philippines Academy and earned his Master of Public Administration from the same school in 2023. Reflecting his strong academic foundation and commitment to effective leadership and public administration. He also served as a catering officer at the Military Academy for Bangsamoro, underscoring his discipline, leadership, and dedication to peace and development in the region. He grew up in Bungabon, Sultan Masura, Maguindanao del Norte, a background that deeply shaped his values of service, faith, and responsibility to the community. Ladies and gentlemen, mga day at mga dato, please help me welcome the Sultan Adil Kuyamon sa Supangan, Sultan Ustad Muhammad Yaqub Aba Gumander. Ladies and gentlemen, mga royal ladies, mga dato, sultans, ito po yung ating mga enthroned by dato and sultans of the Sultan Sabarongis of Iranon, Mandagawi, Darussalam, and cabinet members of the royal houses of Cotabato and Supangan. May we present to you our enthroned royal Dato, Sultan, and Vice. in charge nung award ng certificate? Okay. May I request yung in charge na award ng certificate, please come forward.